Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn off earthquake alerts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. If you want to turn off earthquake alerts, we have to go to Settings, then in Location menu we have Location Services. Earthquake alerts by default are turned on. If you want to turn it off, you just have to go in this menu and tap this little window to turn it off. Now our earthquake alerts are turned off. If we want, we can just go back and turn it on back again. It's better to have to leave it on for our safety, or if you want to travel, or even if we don't have earthquake in our areas. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.